EVA foam, it's fine to spray with spray paint. The fur is fine to spray a little bit with spray paint. Oh, get them ears. This color is called Satin Ivory. It's fancy. What color is it? We'll never know. I wanted that white on his cheeks that you see sometimes. I got a little paintbrush. I'm using spray paint on the table. Now I did spray paint right over his eyeballs because it's fine. I'm going to use a Q-tip and clear the eyeballs up later. This is just a bit of acrylic. Do a little bit of acrylic red first. It's exciting. This is the exciting part. You don't use colors that are too jarring, or else you'll shock the monkey. Shock the monkey. I apologize. Put red inside of there. I'm going to do a little bit of red around the eye. And again, I think this is like a crack monkey. I think, you know, he is causing the outbreak. Let's do white here. We'll do its teeth. That is a lot of white for just these tiny little teeth, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and put some brown in that white. Yes, I know it's spray paint, and technically spray paint and acrylic paint don't mix, but look, I just mixed them. It's fine. 'Cause I want to just do some highlights, you know, on the hands. Is this a hyper realistic fake monkey? No, it's not. Will this work in a haunt set if you make 10 of them, you know, and then fill it with monkey noises and put them in cages and then set up things to rattle the cages? Well, yeah, that's going to be awesome. And this is a concept. Obviously, I didn't spend that. Maybe I have an hour in this, an hour and 15 minutes. So, you know, don't sweat it. Don't kill yourself. Depending upon your use, you know, you may want to kill yourself. Well, don't do that. Make monsters instead. And I'm just hitting some spots. I'm leaving a separation of color. Just to highlight on the you know, just pop. Pop, pop, pop. Do the same thing here up on the face. That brown I did was a good base color. Now I'm painting a flesh tone on that, but I'm leaving that nice brown underneath. And I'm just going to clean away the eye that I dirtied up with spray paint. I could have masked it off, but I didn't. So now I have a clean-eyed monkey. Capuchins are known for the white on top of their head. So I'll take a little bit more of that white, really whiten that. I did a little bit of that with spray paint, but let's really, let's hit it in there. Ah!